Hello, friends. So today we are going to be reading a nonfiction text passage about bottlenose dolphins. I love dolphins. I think they are one of the cutest sea animals ever. So we're going to learn so many facts about this in our reading today. And today's focus is actually going to be a 3-2-1 chart. I love to use 3-2-1 charts because I get to learn so much more about your guys' likes and interests and the things that you find fascinating and the things you want to know more about. And I can even help you answer questions with a 3-2-1 chart. So before I get started with the passage, I'm going to tell you what you're going to be on the lookout for. You are going to be on the lookout for 3 facts that you learn about bottlenose dolphins. Then you're going to be on the lookout for 2 things that you found interesting about bottlenose dolphins. Maybe they're things you haven't learned before or things that you just learned about today. And then the last thing I want you to think about is 1 question or wondering you have about bottlenose dolphins. So you are going to read this passage, you're going to listen to this passage as many times as you need to, and then you are going to fill in your 3-2-1 chart looking for 3 facts, 2 interesting things that you found, and then 1 wondering or question that you have about the text. As always, I'm going to read the passage to you, and I'm even going to go through each feature of nonfiction text that we see in this passage called bottlenose dolphins. Bottlenose dolphins are the most common members of the dolphin family. The bottlenose dolphin is a favorite marine mammal of many people. They are known for being graceful, friendly, and intelligent. Bottlenose dolphins are gray. They are usually 2 to 4 meters long. Bottlenose dolphins weigh between 330 and 1,430 pounds. Their habitat affects their size. Dolphins that live in warmer waters tend to be smaller. The bottlenose dolphin gets its name from its snout that is shaped like a bottle. They have blowholes on the tops of their heads for breathing. Bottlenose dolphins eat fish. They often hunt together to catch schools of fish. They are able to find fish by using echolocation. Echolocation is when dolphins release sounds and listen for the return echoes. This helps them know where the fish are located. Bottlenose dolphins use sound to communicate. They squeak and whistle to each other. They also use body language to communicate. They jump from the water and slap their tails. Bottlenose dolphins are very smart. Their intelligence is close to humans and apes. They are also very emotional animals. Bottlenose dolphins are fascinating mammals. We will have a lot to learn about these intelligent creatures. So let's get into these nonfiction text features. The very first thing I see right here at the top is an example of a map. And this is a map of the entire world. And right underneath this map is a caption so that we can better understand this map. So here's our map and here is our caption. And the caption says, bottlenose dolphins live in the dark areas. So all of these areas of dark blue are where you can find bottlenose dolphins. That's a lot of places on the map. The next thing I see down here is an illustration. And again, I like to read the caption first so I know exactly what I'm looking at. This caption says that bottlenose size, so the bottlenose dolphin compared to human size. That is a much bigger thing than a human right up here on top. So I'm assuming this is the average size of a human versus the average size of a bottlenose dolphin. But remember, we learned that bottlenose dolphins come in many different sizes depending on where they live. The next features of nonfiction text that I see are 2 photographs. I see this photograph of a dolphin, and it looks like a close-up of this picture of a dolphin. So this photograph is showing the dolphin jumping through the water, and then this is a really close-up picture of that dolphin showing us where the dolphin's blowhole is located. Wow, I love these photographs. You can really see what those bottlenose dolphins really look like in real life. And the last thing we have over here is a great example of a diagram. And this diagram, again, is going to be showing us all the parts of the bottlenose dolphin's body. The first thing that we see that the bottlenose dolphin has is a beak. I've heard that word before. I heard that birds also have beaks. And that's interesting because I feel like they kind of have a similar shaped mouth. That's interesting. I didn't realize that dolphin snouts were also called beaks. The next part of a bottlenose dolphin's body that we're going to be seeing here is its blowhole, which is located right at the top of its head where it sprays water from. Next, we see that this bottlenose dolphin has a dorsal fin. This is the fin that is on top of the dolphin's body. Then we see down here the dolphin's tail. We call those flukes. Those two little paddles at the end of his tail, I didn't know those had a name. Those are called flukes. And then we have the dolphin's flippers, which are right here. It's their two arms that go while they're swimming. Those are called the dolphin's flippers. Wow, we learned so much information about these bottlenose dolphins. So like I said, you can listen to this passage or read it as many times as you like, and you are going to be on the hunt for your 3, 2, 1 facts. So the first thing you're going to be looking for are 3 facts you learned about bottlenose dolphins. The next 2 things you're going to be looking for are 2 facts that you found out were interesting about bottlenose dolphins. And the last thing you're going to be looking for is 1 wondering or 1 question you still have about bottlenose dolphins. I can't wait to read. Enjoy. Bye.